Okay, random fact of the day. You can beat brain freeze by pressing your tongue to the roof of your mouth. How about that? Well, you can sleep better tonight. Cindy will require $16,000 in 2 years to return to college. How much money should she ask her parents for that? 12% compounded continuously. Okay, so remember, continuously, if you use Pert shampoo, your hair continuously smells good. And so we're going to have an A, a P, an R, and a T. And please don't ever let me see you write E equals there, because remember, E is a constant. Okay. Alright, so what do we have? Requires 16,000, so that's the A. That's what she needs. We're asking, it's being asked here, how much money should she ask her parents for now? So she wants money now, she doesn't know how much, but she knows she needs 16,000 in 2 years. So T is 2 years, and the 12% equates to 0.12. So we substitute 16,000 for A. We don't know what our P is yet, and we have E to the RT, so 0.12 times 2. That's your entire exponent. So we're just going to divide 16,000 by E to the 0.12 times 2. I don't even try to, I don't take the extra time to simplify that. Okay, but if I type that into my calculator, I'm going to get 12,000. So her parents only need to give her $12,586.05 if they get that 12% return, interest compounded continuously. And let me scoot that over so you can see it. That is your answer. And we've got one more. So hopefully you're cruising along here, no problem. Last one. Okay, so after reading this one, I'm really happy I took the time to explain to you. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter at all how much money you invest to begin with, because here it's asking us how long will it take for an investment to triple. Okay, so it doesn't matter how much you start with. What you're going to end up with is always going to be 3 times the amount you started with. So I mean, after you've done a few of these, you just start with 3 equals, and this is compounded continuously, right? So you start with 3 equals E to the R, which is 0.065 times T. That's all you have to do. Because if you started with 1,000, you would go to 3,000. Okay, E to the K, RT. You get the K's in the next section. If you started with 15, you get to 30. Ooh, wait, we're tripling. We're not doubling. So you get to 45. E to the RT. So either way, you divide by 15, you get 3 equals E to the RT. Divide by 1,000 up here, divide by 1,000 up here, you get E to the KT equals 3. So no matter what you start with, and hopefully this will be the last time I say this, you end up with 3 times the amount you started with. So then, once you get to this point, this should be, by now, hopefully this is almost a no-brainer for you. You just take the ln of both sides, and after doing that, on the left, you get ln of 3. ln of 3 is a constant. It's just a regular old number. ln of 3, it's going to be bigger than 0. Okay, in fact, it's going to be bigger than 1. Okay, because the ln of E is 1. And on the right side, you get 0.065 times T. So it's very, very convenient when you recognize that all you have to do is take the ln of both sides, because the ln of both sides lets you actually get to that T, where now you just have to divide both sides by that 0.065, and you get T is equal to ln of 3 over 0.065, which is approximately equal to 16.902. And what? How long will it take? Well, that's going to be in years. Okay, 16.902 years. That's pretty nice right there. So 1 through 5, there you go, 4 and 5. And I hope you guys have a great night. And I will see periods 2 and 6 on Monday. See period 5. See you guys on Thursday. Have a great night.